Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome to Fit Fusion. Are you tired of having a flat or saggy booty? Well, today we're going to show you the 8 best glute exercises that will help you unlock your ultimate booty goals. So grab your workout gear and let's get started. Exercise 1. Squats. This classic move targets your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Keep your chest up, push through your heels, and squat down as low as you can. Exercise 2. Lunges. Step forward with one leg, bending both knees until the back knee is just above the ground. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. This exercise helps to shape and lift your glutes. Exercise 3. Glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower back down and repeat. Exercise 4. Deadlifts. Holding a barbell or dumbbells in front of your thighs, hinge forward from your hips, keeping your back flat. Squeeze your glutes as you stand back up. This exercise is great for building strength and size in your glutes. Exercise 5. Step-ups. Stand in front of a step or bench. Step one foot onto the platform, pushing through your heel and lifting your opposite knee. Step back down and repeat on the other side. This exercise targets your glutes and helps to improve symmetry. Exercise 6. Hip thrusts. Sit on the ground with your upper back against a bench and a barbell across your hips. Drive through your heels and lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes. Lower back down and repeat. This exercise is a glute-building powerhouse. Exercise 7. Bulgarian split squats. Stand a stride length in front of a bench or step. Rest the top of one foot on the bench and lower down into a lunge position. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. This exercise really isolates your glutes and quads. Exercise 8. Donkey kicks. Start on all fours and extend one leg straight back, keeping the knee bent. Squeeze your glutes as you lift your leg towards the ceiling. Lower back down and repeat. This exercise targets the gluteus maximus and helps to lift and tone your booty. There you have it, the top 8 glute blasting exercises to help you achieve that 3D butt you've always wanted. Make sure to incorporate these into your workout routine and watch those glutes transform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. Good luck.